So let's start just from the S mount now. So S mount, you do it 2 ways. To apply maximum pressure, I want to take weight off my right foot. Okay, when it's in the hip, it's almost like I'm creating a bridge. I don't have as much pressure on him. So, but from here, it's more stable and I can push off and fall to the right. But I would prefer you guys get here so that I'm really putting my weight on him. And you notice I can push myself forward with my left leg. Because if your toes are here, if you just slowly, like you're rolling your back, I literally have no base in the back. And I tore my knee real bad like this too. So I post it out like this. So now, if he begins to try to roll his back, I can drive forward. If he rolls his back, I drive forward. So from here, I want to pull him into my chest right here. And I want to just literally sit him up here and keep my right elbow and right knee connected. So I'm staying crunched. So I have the ability to push him away. So I have the ability to push him away and then isolate that arm right there, which is where triangles are available, which is what Master Carlos did this right here, except he had the foot on the inside of the thigh here. And it should be pretty hard for Izzy to take that left arm and pull it back out. Okay, by the time I finish choking him here. I'll be from the other side. No, on the left side. This is a rotation and we'll fall back. So here. See how that right elbow and right knee stay together? So I'm here, first and foremost. If you're tall enough, you can begin to get the body lock here, which feels fantastic. Okay? But if you notice, my knee and elbow are more so connected, and my leg is going across his hip line, not at an angle, because I don't want to let him remove this hip hook here, okay, because that will enable him to escape this way, because he's not going to escape that way, because that's his choking arm, okay? So as we're here, I begin the hand fight. So I just push this down and reach right here. He may free this arm right here, because I'll at least control one. But by the time this is all free, this left hand is choking. It's the top hand that chokes. I don't have a choke with the bottom hand, right? So that's one option. From this position here, okay, lift your left knee, yeah. So from here now, I can begin to extend my legs, push that hip hook. This foot pushes this foot, and I'm gonna try to roll him more this way. And I'm gonna kind of push him down into this hole. Okay. And I can only do it if my arms are bent, so that basically with this figure 4 control, I push him to the left, which enables me to chop his shoulder with the left leg. If he's too close, I can't get it. If he's here, I can get it here. I can grab it here, push, chop my own hand in here, okay? From this position here, I have access to triangle. I have the ability to lock my feet here to go to like a chest guard here. And I'm just gonna loop my elbow over, frame his head here, and I'm gonna roll my knees to the left while extending his arm without bringing the leg over the head. So, you got it here, okay? I'm gonna roll him. 1, 2, 3, and I chop. Even if he's holding my hands here, you chop it right at that wrist right there, grab it. So you're gonna pull it and push it and chop your own. And bring your right leg over your left. From here, all I'm gonna do is just roll them out this way and with the hip.
wound up back tape here. I'm gonna roll in this way. Here, I'm gonna chop this. Sometimes you get it, now you're here. Now I'm the left elbow. Frames the head here. And I'm gonna push him away while I pull the arm. Switch right here. And finish. All right, let's try it. 1, 2, 3.